is Vaishali. Welcome back with another part of DIY bookmark tutorial. Let's quickly get into the video. So we'll begin with very easy DIY paper bookmarks. So we are going to make this paper bookmark, which is very simple. Here, as you can see, this is a tag from my new jeans and I'll be using this here. So all you need here is just acrylic color cone or any permanent marker if you have. Just write down the desired text and you're done. And your neat, simple yet very effective bookmark is ready. This is the simplest one. We'll be needing a piece of ribbon and a rectangular paper sheet with a hole at the top, and you need to cut the ribbons both the ends in such a shape and then make a knot like this. With a simple gel pen I'm writing text here, and this is it. Another easiest bookmark ready in a couple of minutes. Let's quickly check out another simple paper bookmark. Here I have taken rectangular piece of paper sheet and made a V-cut on both the ends. Make a hole at one side and attach the chain with such a wire or any jump rings if you have, you can use. Again, using acrylic color cone here. You can use any marker or sketch pen for text. And we are done. Now we'll make a Dreamcatcher bookmark. Read books and catch your dreams. The base is solid paper base here. Again, I'm using a tag from my new clothes and a piece of yarn you'll need here and some acrylic paints. Draw a circle like this and use such design pattern to make Dreamcatcher. Now attach the yarn in such a way and the edges are finished with white acrylic paint and your Dreamcatcher is actually ready. Let's make a watercolor vintage bookmark. So first we need to make a V-cut at the bottom of the tag and then attach a jute thread like this. Using a jute lace here, fold it in such a way and stitch its sides. Now we need to pull the fabric through the opening so that its right side is out. Using scissors will help you push the fabric through. Now mix and match the watercolor for base part. Use different shades of watercolor and make such colorful design pattern. Using a glass liner here to finish its edges. And at last, write any desired text with marker or pen. Here is your beautiful vintage watercolor bookmark. So let's begin with another type of bookmark. We will be using foam sheets here. Our first foam sheet bookmark is this cute bunny. Make sure you cut bunny shape on paper first so that it will get easy to draw it on foam sheet. Using a toothpick here to draw shape on sheet. Now we'll cut it and cut all the other small pieces. And start sticking like this. Here I'm using a black acrylic color to make its eyes and mouth. We need to attach a ribbon or any thread with the bunny here, and on the other end attach a small bell. And we are done. This cute little bunny bookmark will enhance the look of your book. Now we are making a hat bookmark. For this we need to cut a hat shape on foam sheet and cut a small piece of foam sheet for hat band and stick this on hat. Now we'll take solid paper piece and attach this too. Write down any motivational text that you like. And we are done. This motivational bookmark is ready. Let's make this beautiful birdie bookmark. First we need to cut the base shape on foam sheet. Here I'm using yellow foam sheet. Place the shape on foam sheet and just mark it with this toothpick and cut the shape. Same way we will cut the feather for this bird. Here I'm using green sheet. Now we will stick all the different pieces and attach a yarn here. To make egg, cut the shape on foam sheet. I have these colorful small cuttings from foam sheet, so sticking these on egg to make it more beautiful. And here we will attach the other end of the yarn to egg. We are done with this cute birdie bookmark. How about this red dipstick bookmark? Again, a very simple DIY. We need 3 pieces of foam sheet here. You need to cut all the pieces as shown in the video. For middle part, we need a silver tape or glitter if you have. I'll stick all the pieces on the base shape. And here I'm using a hair clip. If you have paper clip, then also it's good. So here is how your lipstick bookmark will look. Add a bit of charm to your reading material with these initial colored bookmarks. These are some of the extra bookmarks that I have made. All you need here is foam alphabets or wooden alphabets, thread or ribbon, and some pearls, and I'll be using a felt also here. So procedure is very simple. Just attach the thread or ribbon with the alphabet using such knot pattern and finish the ends with adding some pearls to it. Isn't it looking beautiful? So it will definitely add extra charm to your reading books. So for this bookmark, I'll be using wooden alphabets. All you need is a thread and a felt, which is cut in triangle, and just attach the triangle with thread like this and pull the fabric through the opening so that it's right side out, and we are done. This is how your wooden initial bookmark will look. So this is it for today's video. Hope you like it. Let me know in the comment section. Try out these bookmarks DIY. And if you are new to this channel, then do consider subscribing, like and share with friends and families. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.